Hiya. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen me rocking this hairstyle. I've gotten a lot of questions on it, so I want to show you all how I do this hairstyle. Now this is especially for my ladies who we don't know how to plait. We don't have time to plait. And we basically don't even have time to do all these really intricate styles that you see on YouTube. So yeah, I like this look because it's super easy to do. It took me just a few minutes to do it, and you don't need to have any kind of like special skills to be able to get this look. And it's really versatile. So to me, that's like a winning hairstyle any day. So let's get right into it, shall we? Woo! All right, ladies, so in an effort to simplify my life, anytime I want to style my hair, I always make sure that I am starting on stretched hair. This particular hair was like an old twist out, so my hair is pretty stretched here. And then another little tip about my gels, I always use two layers of gels on my edges, 2 different gels. And that's because when I use those 2 different gels, it actually helps my hairstyle, or rather it lays my edges for days. Like after you see me on this day, I'm pretty much not gonna touch my edges, actually probably for the whole week. So that's pretty good. But I'm just gonna get quiet so that you all can go ahead and just enjoy the rest of the tutorial. And then I'll pop in here and there to give you a little bit of tips as we go along. Can we just talk about this definition braid hair though? Like this hair, I like to buy this bad boy in bulk, okay? Anytime I see it in the salon or I see it at the store, I am basically gonna buy up whatever remaining stock you have in the store. I love this hair. So doing the bang in the front is actually my favorite part of doing this hairstyle. It's a lot of fun because every time I do the hairstyle, it actually comes out a little bit differently. You can fluff it out and pin it wherever you like. You know, I just kind of grab a mirror and make sure that I'm enjoying what I see. I usually like to have like a side swoop bang, but you know, you can also put the bang to the middle and have like a little puff in the middle for a bang. Whatever you like, go for it, girl. Oh, a little tip for you all. So be careful when you are using the bobby pins to pin down the hair close to your edges. Like, don't be overly aggressive with how you push the bobby pin into your hair strands, because we're trying to hold on to as many edges as we can, okay? You know it's hard out here. So seriously, just be careful.
Intro.
Okay, so you may have noticed earlier when I was actually twisting the weave that I didn't twist all the way to the end. So the end just kind of looks kind of bushy, looks a little crazy, you know. So I just go ahead and I gently tuck the ends into the larger twist and then bobby pin it. So the bushy ends aren't there. There you have it, ladies. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope it was simple. Please share any comments or questions that you have in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback, and share the video with your girlfriends. And if you found the video at all helpful or you just enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up. I would thoroughly appreciate it. All right, take care.